Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to remove stock from iShopMaster Pro. We have two types, on bulky way or individually. If you want to bulky way, go inventory, stock damage. When you want to remove all bill, use this. First select search product and select the variants and check the badges and mark damage. I am going to paste a serial number. Click scan. See, the serial is already damaged, but we can see the remaining stock. See, one is damaged. These are the variants, and black, white. Now I am going to select white, and these are the purchase badges. I have 9 purchase badges in the white. Select white, and I'm going to select the badge and click the mark button. See, I have 18 units. We can select all or unselect all, or we can select only individuals. Unselect. See, there are 18 units, but I select only 15 serials and click confirm. That's it. Stock overview and press the serial number, search, and wait for the results come. See, the results came now. Click the view button. Details are loading. See, there is a button marked damage. So now we have 165 purchase units, but available 150. One is damaged. Right. Now click the items and or you can filter, or you can scan. If you scan, that is already marked as the serial damage, then don't worry. See, the history is all a recording what happened to our stocks, so no blames there. I am now going to check the damage serial on stock. If I paste here, see, there is no result, but if I paste here, see, the status has